What is going on, everyone? STIPE here from Unique Chrysler today. Today is a very special day. Behind me here, I actually have the new 2019 REDEYE Hellcat in this beautiful pitch black with the orange brakes there. And right around, it's going to be actually a tutorial video today. Today, I'm actually going to be doing a tutorial on how to install these wonderful hood pins that we equipped this beautiful REDEYE with. So we're going to get right into that in just a second. But before we do get into it, please make sure you do hit that subscribe button and like the video if you do like it at the end. And hopefully this video is helpful for you. Okay, so before you do pop your hood door on the latch on the inside of the vehicle, always remember to undo your hood pins. That's just a quick little tip and reminder, because if you don't, you could actually damage the paint here on the hood pin that surrounds it here, this plastic that's painted. Now we're gonna open it. So first things first is you're gonna wanna undo these two plastic panels here. Now, there's this latch here. For this side is the first one you have to pull off. It's actually the one that tops this side of the panel. So you pull that latch like that, go very gently. There's a couple clips that are just gonna undo. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna actually feed this wire through. If you look where I fed it through there, I fed it right next to the headlight. It's kind of tough on these REDEYEs. If you do it with a TA Challenger or another Challenger, it might be easier because there won't be as many things blocking it with this grill. And you actually put it to that white little screw that you will find right there on all Challengers. And you just put the hole, line it up, and you screw that down. Same goes for the other side as well. You put this back down, you clip it in, make sure everything is nice. As well as around the hood pin here, the plastic, you always want to make sure it's nice. When it's done, close the hood. Grab your hood pins here. And you always usually want the hood pins to face inward, like this. And then same goes for this side. Just like that. It's all complete. Your hood pin installation, quick and easy like that. 915 Walker's Line here at Unique Chrysler in Burlington. Thank you.